Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Prebell with Team William in India. So today, the first day of August, and a clear disclaimer that the registration granted by the SABI membership of BSL and certification from NFM is no way guarantee performance of an intermediary or provide any assurance of the return to investors. And investment in security markets are subjected to market risk. Read all this carefully before investing. Okay, so let's begin with Nifty 50 setup. So yesterday we discussed, I think some of you might be over here yesterday as well in this group. So हमने वही बात किया था that 21 DMA is very important and Nifty might get a strong support at 21 DMA, and we discussed that level. And the same thing I think happened yesterday. So in the morning session, in the first 10 minutes only, Nifty made a low near its 21 DMA. पहले 10 मिनट में ही वहाँ पे लो बना दिया था, and from there it gradually went higher during the day and closed near the day's high. That's something positive, closing near the day's high after opening a little weak. Other good part was the volume was above average. You can see this horizontal line is the average volume, and yesterday was just above average. So that is also good. So yesterday the action was mostly on the positive side, and that was on the above average volume. So now again on the downside, the same 21 DMA level, which is somewhere around 600, 19,600 फिर से बहुत important level हो जाता है नीचे की side. Okay, and on the higher side, I think 850 is the zone. 850 is very important. जहाँ से ये डाउनसाइड रिवर्सल हुआ था 850 860 लेवल से, तो वहां पे उसको क्रॉस करना काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है. वहां से ऊपर एक बार बंद होता है, then the next target can be the fresh new high above 20,000 level. So very simple level, very range bound level 600 850. That's it. I think overall the other sectorial index are also doing well. So even yesterday, if you see FMCG में थोड़ा weakness था, but FMCG को छोड़ के बाकी सारे sectors ने there was a very good action in all the sectors bearing FMCG. So that's not a problem in the market. All the sectors are also acting really well and holding above the key moving averages. Even the broader market is moving higher. Okay. Now next, lot of results today. Escorts, PVR, Thermex, Adani Total, Dalmia Bharat Cement, Metro, Reddington, Triveni Turbine, Welspun, और भी काफी सारे हैं. So yesterday there were many results. Power Grid revenue almost flat था YOY basis पे, but profitability almost 5.9% down थी, and EBITDA margin में expansion हुआ था 290 bps का at that to 87%. JBM Auto revenue growth was good, 9.4%. Profit was up 17.1%, while the EBITDA margin expanded to 12.2% from 9.7%. This is something very positive and might react well the stock. So SG Infra, here also there was a good set of number. The revenue growth was 22%. The profit was up around 38%. And if you see the EBITDA margin expansion was more than around 2.8% YOY to 20.8% from 18%. KEI, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा volume front, margin front पे little disappointment. Otherwise, revenue growth was 14%, profitability was up 17% on a YOY basis, but the EBITDA margin contracted some 20 bips to 10%. Maruti, अच्छे number, it's a good set of number. The growth was 22% YOY in the revenue front. The EBITDA was up 56% YOY. Profitability PAT देखे तो more than double हो गया है. And the margin expanded. So this is something very important. 9.2% का margin आया है compared to 7.2% in Q1 FY23. So that's some good numbers to watch out for. Now, if you look at the global market updates, so there was a good recovery in the US market. So Dow Jones, S&P as well as Nasdaq were up 0.2 to 0.3%. So no major negativity from there. The Asian market is trading well. The Nikkei is up 0.7%, Kospi more than 1% higher. Shanghai almost flat. So there are no negative cues as far as the global markets are concerned. Okay, if you look at the gift Nifty, Here also it indicates that market might open a muted to positive, so then on the higher side. So something like yesterday only, it might little open on the higher side. So the future level over here is trading somewhere around 19,885. Okay, so let's get a chart of the day, or you can say stock of the day, or maybe something that we like. The formation is getting good. So over here we have selected Greenlam Industry for today. So Greenlam Industry had a very good run after a breakout from the base 1 over here, but now it has formed a stage 2 base. So this is a stage 2 cup with handle base. So I think yes, Friday को थोड़ा एक momentum आया था, breakout दिया था इसने, but it failed to hold. But good part is 21 DMA को hold किया. I think result के बाद का वो ऊपर नीचे का movement था. So it even hold the 21 DMA, and now it's again trying to rebound. So let's see if it can. It's still 3% from the pivot. If it can move higher from here, and the important part is the volume. Volume आता है और sustain हो जाता है gains. So two things to watch out over here: gains to sustain and higher volume to come. Otherwise, the other factors are quite good. Recent earnings have been really good, and if you see this recent one, जो अभी June अभी last week आया, वो बहुत ही अच्छा था. So revenue as well as the EPS growth is decent. If you look at the ratings, the earning per share strength of 89 is superb. The RSS, the blue dot has came over here. You can see it's at new high and trending higher. Look at the way the RS is trending. The buyer demand is best. A plus is the best buyer demand. उसका रीजन है, देखो जब भी स्टॉक ऊपर जाता है ना, वॉल्यूम हाई होता है, और जब भी स्टॉक नीचे होता है या कंसोलिडेट करता है, लुक एट द वॉल्यूम. वॉल्यूम इज लो. यहाँ पे हाई है, फिर से ये भी हाई है, ये लो है. So that is why it has a very good buyer demand कि जब भी वो ऊपर आता है, there is a strong buyer demand, and on the flip side, whenever the stock is moving lower or consolidating, that's low. Overall इसका story भी अच्छा है. So home improvement segment in India, so ये जो प्लाईवुड में डील करता है या बाकी सारे होम इम्प्रूवमेंट मटेरियल्स के साथ डील करता है, there is a robust demand. I think the way our per capita income is increasing, the government's focus on housing, and people, I think वो एक trend shift हुआ है, and we have discussed that a lot after COVID, that making the house really good. So वहाँ पे इनका जो home improvement segment में इनका जो presence है, that is quite well, and they have some quality products. So वो theme जब पूरा चल रहा है, then this will definitely be benefited from that housing theme plus home improvement theme. दोनों में इसको एक benefit मिलेगा. Okay, so that's it for today's session, guys. Thank you very much for joining. See you again tomorrow at 8:45 a.m.